In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair corrupted Windows 10 system files. So to repair and to resolve all corrupted files in your Windows 10 PC or laptop, so firstly click on Start, then type CMD. Right click on it. Then left click on Run as Administrator. Now type this command sfc space / scan now and press enter. This process will take some time, so wait for a while. Once this processor will be complete, you can check and you can repair all corrupted file in your Windows PC. Thanks for watching this video.